Hi, I'm clicked on this game. It's called Goodnight, Meowmie. It was in the horror section of Itch.io, so we're gonna check it out. I don't really know what it's about. I just looked at it for a couple seconds and I'm like, well, but let's just try it. Let's see. So we're both in for a surprise. Look at us, really being completely ignorant to the content. Love it. Start. Trying to start. Clicking. Start. Okay, I'm hitting. Okay, clicking doesn't work. Space works. So maybe I can't use the mouse in this game. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, you start your stuff, little guy. Okay. Space? Maybe I should have looked up the controls. Oh, okay. Arrow keys. Space doesn't do anything. Nothing else seems to do anything yet. Hi. Can I use space? Yay, space. Okay, arrow keys and space. Those are the controls so far. Meowmie, my one true friend. Talk, feed, hold, play. Hold. Why? So cute. So cute. Oh, you got little snackies over here, it looks like. Oh, what's this? Meowmie seemed to like that. Love that. Oh, we're doing a little groove? This is just playing. Cute. What's this? Dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot. Okay. Picked up food times 1. Okay. Picked up food times 1. Okay. Meowmie is the best. Talk. How are you today, Meowmie? Oh, sorry, we can't see Meowmie. Ah! It sounds like he's perfectly content. Can I just hold him? I love my Meowmie. I am starting to love him too. Ah! So cute. Is that a picture of us? It's Meowmie me. Cute. Oh, Meowmie still wants something. Oh, you want to eat? You're not that hungry. Okay. Wow. Fucking all that whole damn. Litter box need to be cleaned? Nope. Okay. Meowmie still wants something. Okay. Another? Okay. Yeah, you chunky little guy. Meowmie. Okay, let's go. I should just go to bed. We just got up. Okay. Good night, Meowmie. Okay. No, I don't have any food for Meowmie. Oh, I gotta leave. Do you want to come with me? Oh. I guess I must go alone. I'm already have shivers and goosebumps. It's not even scary. What is wrong with me? Sorry that my cursor has been on the screen. Let me just move that to the side. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, is this another kitty? Oh. Am I like looking for food for Meowmie? Because I think that's a necessity since we're out. Oh. Do we want to go to the red? Okay. I mean, I'm trying to avoid going to the red because it's red. Oh, there we go. We're just not going to our... I was just about to say we're not going to our demise. Clearly, if I said it sooner, it would have been wonderful foreshadowing. That ironic foreshadowing? Should be foreshadowing? I don't know. Okay, so let's just not look at it. Don't let it into the light. Okay, maybe we go this way. Or maybe we go this way. Maybe we go this way. A little bit harder to get to, so maybe the payoff is better. I've already lost where Meowmie is. I hope he doesn't starve to death. I don't know how long he lives. Is it snowing in here? Okay, this seems very... We found food! Yes, we did it! We did it! We found food! Ah, that's what I thought we were on the search for because there was none left for us. There. What do we eat? Because there's no food for us either. Oh. No. Shit. Shit. Did a magical door pop into existence? I love when magical doors pop into existence. Oh. Okay. Okay, maybe that's... Or keys. Or some... No, we're just keep on walking, we are fine, oh no, we are fine, no, we are fine, we are fine, we are fine. Okay, we are, that was us being fine. That was us being absolutely, perfectly fine. Yep. Now, do we go back or do we keep looking for food? That seems impossible to go through. We're just, yeah, so we're just not doing that. Maybe that was something, but I'm not risking it. Not risking it when I got my Meowmie. I got my Meowmie to go save with some munchies. Munchies for my Meowmie. Oh, okay, too close. Sorry. Should have been. That was the wrong direction. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, we'll go all the way up. And then we'll go to the side. Thank you for the safe travels. Okay. Store. Do we want to go look at the red? Maybe out of pure curiosity? Okay, thank you. I'm very glad it's locked. I didn't want to go in there. I didn't want to do it. Okay, let's go back to our kitty. Let's go back to our baby. Oh, there's a picture. Oh, I thought it was a picture. No. What is that? Hi. Mommy's really hungry. Yeah, Mommy's super hungry. Feed. 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 Oh, we're out of food. Okay. Play. Hold. I'll take you into bed and let's have a nap, I guess. Good night, Meowmie. Oh, I gotta hold him into bed. Nice. Oh, he's sleeping. No, is he okay? Oh. Okay, I'll find you some medicine. Aw. I'm playing with you in spirit, you know, like. Oh. We rocking back and forth. We'll put you in bed. There you go. You rest. Poor guy. We're gonna go find some medicine. I don't give a fuck about any monsters. We're saving my kitty. Y'all can F off. I don't give a shit about your scary ambiance music. Oh, I don't care. Rein it in, motherfucker. We're here to save a cat. Nothing else matters. Well, unlock it, please. Is this one unlocked? This one's unlocked now. Haha, the medicine room. Oh, goodbye. Moving head. Okay, moving heads. Moving heads. Let's dodge them like a pro. I've totally never done this before. I actually haven't. But we can pretend I have. Because I'm so fucking sick at this. It's embarrassing for the developer. I'm kidding. Okay. Ooh, very blue. Very blue. I like it. Do I feel like a scary monster's gonna appear? Okay, now do I look away and come back and the key or something? That's all? That's just the medicine? We're not tricking me this time? Okay. If this door's locked. Thank you. Okay. No, I'm sick of this. Ah, no! I'm sick of this. Okay. You don't even know how good I am at this game. Oh my god, I'm such a pro. Oh my lord. Oh my golly. Yay, we did it. There might be other things in that room. I don't know. I need food. I need food more than any medicine. I'm so worried. Do you think I should go all the way back to that other room and see if there's food there? Is it gonna spook me again? Okay, nothing scary's happened. Oh, you didn't stay in bed. Okay, hey. Looks like feed medicine. There you go, darling. Oh, no. Let me hold you. We're gonna talk. Let's see if we make your heart fuller. Okay, they're staying at 3. Oh, we got 4. We got 4. Hold you. Yeah, my little munchkin, my little Meowmie. Ah, so cute. Awesome. Okay, let's hold you and let's go back to bed. Because I feel like tomorrow we might be able to find you more food. We sleep a lot. Oh no! I'm sorry, darling. Put you back in bed again. Let's go find you more medicine. I'm so sorry. I want to check that one. I still can't look outside. My Meowmie isn't doing good. Just again. This is stressful. I feel like I can't help him. Is he gonna die? I want him to die. Please don't make him die. Ugh, is the red door open now? Oh, it's not red? Oh, it is. Okay. I didn't see the glow. Thought it was more ominous than that. Still locked. Okay. So back to the medicine room, maybe? Okay. Let's see what we can do here. No skulls. That's eerie. There's just one big enemy. Okay. Skulls are out haunting another corridor? Are they all in here surrounding the plant? And I have to like, oh. It hasn't grown back. Crap. Okay, we'll go look for food maybe then. In the other corridor. Crap. I'm assuming you're an enemy because your paw prints are red. That's just what I'm going with. I'll try this one more time. Before we go back to Meowmie. Okay. Maybe there's a key in this room. And I missed it. Okay, it's just like, are you sure? I don't want to die. That's what the dot's saying. Like, are you fucking serious? No, sorry, we're not trying to kill you. We're just trying to save Meowmie. We're both in. No! No! What the fuck? No! 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 My baby! My baby! No! No! What the fuck? I don't want to. I'm gonna hit play. That's stupid. That I can still do that. No! I have nothing. Okay, we're just gonna go to bed, I guess. What's happening? Meowmie? I'm gonna go try that window again, quick. Okay, let's see. Let's see where Meowmie went. If he's still alive. I have a feeling it's the red door this time. Okay. Oh. Hi. Do I bring you back in? I don't even want to bring you back in. No, no, no! I thought we could just sit outside under the stars together. Why you hurt my kitty? What the fuck's your problem? So we just got back outside? What? It had been such a warm day. It was only natural for me to open the window. You were always a curious one, but you had no idea about the danger that prowled outside. Oh. I still remember seeing your body lying there in the grass. I wish with all my heart. I wish with all my heart that it was. Ugh, sorry. I wish with all my heart that it was not real. That it was just a nightmare I couldn't escape. I held on to your presence in my mind. A light amidst the darkness all around me. But in the end, I couldn't escape reality. Meowmie, my one true friend. Aww. Good night, Meowmie. Ow. That upset me. It was a good game. That was good. That was good. That was a good game. Oh, frick. I had some babies of my own. My little white babies. That made no sense. I had white kitties. My main girl, her name was Cotton Ball. I know, original. And I never got to know what happened to her, which sucks a lot. But I had her for a very long time. Good game. Good game. Okay. We're gonna stop filming now. Thanks for being here and watching the sad story with me. If you got choked up, freaking samesies. And if you didn't, that's fine. Just go about your day. I'm glad you didn't have to be emotionally ruined by a game. Okay, see you.